Okay, so we're back again, and I just have again the basic exponential curve in here, y equals 2x, that we've been working with. And if you'll remember that the inverse of a exponential is a log. So if I put in y equals log, and I think I have to hit, functions over here to get that. Let me see where it is at. I don't think I could just type it in. Here it is, y equals log, so it is under the function thing. And I want to actually do, log base 2. Here we go. So I'm going to do this one. Let's get out of here. Let me get rid of that again. Y equals function, to show you where it's at. Again, it's all the way over here, and we're going to do log, and I want it a base 2 because I want to do just the inverse of what I have, log base 2 of x. I'm also going to put in real quick y equals x, because remember, they are reflections of each other. So let me just go out with this a little bit so you see. Okay, and that point 0, 1 has the reflection point of 1, 0. Okay, so here's the difference between the two. Remember your exponential curve, what it looks like. Again, its asymptote, if you want to call it that, is it gets closer and closer to the x-axis, but it doesn't cross. Where your logarithmic curve is the reflection over the y equals x. Okay, so it does look like a sideways, and its asymptote is the y-axis. Okay, so just as looking at the two as a comparison there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and, while we're at it, put in, just so you can see, let's do y equals, and let's just see what happens. We'll stick with log base 2 again, and I'm going to take and put in x plus 2. Okay, so again, it's with the x, so it moved it, and it's the opposite. That's my h. It moved it to the left 2. Okay, if I put outside, remember we talked about the importance of the parentheses on there. If I put a plus 2, that is my k value. It should move it up 2. I'm going to do plus 5, so you see it. There it is. Okay. Now, again, that's why that plus becomes parentheses become very important to distinguish between the two. Okay? What else do you want to see? I could change that if I go with a minus 2, x minus 2. Okay? That then moved it left. The scale is off there a little bit. And let's do a minus 3. There we go. Okay, so I've now translated it. Okay, to the right and down. Okay, so that's just a quick overview. We'll do some more graphing of logs in class, but again, reminder that your logarithmic function is in fact your reflection over the y equals x line, and we can do a table and plot points and so forth, but just look at the difference between your exponential growth curve and your logarithmic curve. Okay? Okay, we'll just stop there with that, but that is your graphing of exponential and logarithms.